So, if you need to replace or remove this rotor and these bolts are stuck on a Hyundai vehicle, we'll share 2 secrets that will make your life much easier. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. It could be practically any Hyundai vehicle guys. If you need to remove or replace the front disc brake rotor guys and you have 2 bolts there, usually with a Phillips screwdriver, or they could be even with a Torx or anything like that, and you try to take them off but you round them or they're really stuck, stay with us. We'll share guys 2 secrets that will make your life much easier and you will easily be able to remove these bolts. Now, even though we're demonstrating on Hyundai Sonata, the video should be helpful on multiple Hyundai models, and some of those could be Hyundai Sonata Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Accent, and Hyundai Veloster as well. So let's explain how to do that on a Hyundai. We'll demonstrate on this Hyundai Sonata today. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So let's explain what we're talking about. Those are the bolts that we need to remove, you can see, in order to get the rotor out. Now, how do you guys remove those things? They will be stuck really bad. They're exposed to extreme temperature here, hot, cold all the time. They condensate. That means that humidity turns into water. They rust eventually. And what happens, guys? Okay, they will be stuck really bad. Let's get penetrating spray. We sprayed ours already some. Penetrating spray, and generously spray them. Okay, we'll just demonstrate a little bit, not to spray here too much, but spray between the bolt and the rotor quite a bit guys. Okay, you may need to do that a few times. Let it soak for about 10-15 minutes, reapply if you have to. And now, if you just get a regular screwdriver, or if it's a Torx bit or something like that, and what you will do, you will probably round them guys. You can see this one is a little bit rounded, this one here, it's rounded as well. So how do you guys take these things off? You get a bit of screwdriver or whatever tools you need, metal one, you install it on a socket guys. Okay, and when you install it on a socket, you can hold that thing, get the hammer, and you need to tap it guys. Okay, check it out, tap it like that, perfect. Now when we tap it guys, you're going to crack that rust loose. Now hold pressure on that ratchet towards the inside, quite a bit of pressure, and start taking it off. That way the tool doesn't slip. And one is out. Now let us show you how much that penetrating spray went inside that bolt guys. Probably quite a bit. Okay, you can see it made it wet halfway guys. So if you soak it 2-3 times, it will probably penetrate all the way. Let's do this one. I don't know why they came up with a Phillips screwdriver design. It's terrible. Torx is a little bit better, but they eventually come off. Perfect. And this one as well. So that's how you guys do it on a Hyundai vehicle. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.